How do you motivate pilots and flight crews? Obviously, you're getting a call from a family or an insurer, and your call out time may be a couple hours. I mean, it's like, hey, look,
Yeah.
go fire up the jet. So those guys are on demand, and girls are on demand and tied to beepers. How do you keep them motivated? You know, all the time. Now, that's got to be a huge challenge to schedule, keep them motivated, keep them ready to go. You know, when you're on demand like that.
You know, Craig, I think that our pilots and especially our medical crew, I mean, they're in it for the mission. They love to fly. That's been their life. Many of them served in our military, and thank them for that. But at the end of the day, they see the true mission, and the mission is that we're often going into people's lives at the most tragic time.
Mm-hmm.
Um, I can't tell you the number of times. One of the fun things I like to do is I'm absolutely no help other than carrying baggage to either the pilots or the medical team. But I like to get in the back of the plane and go see what firsthand the difference that
Yeah.
we make. And I think that's what drives them. I mean, we've got guys. I think right now we're on a 7 on, no 10 on, 7 off program,
Mm-hmm.
and we got guys every day that they may be scheduled off, but they're available. And if you call them, they'll drop what they're doing and they'll come in and take care of it, because they know at the end of the day, these people don't have a whole lot of choice. They got a limited amount of time to get to a better place to care for them. And I think that motivates them and drives them. And it takes a very, very special personality to do that. But they're out there, and some people enjoy cargo and golf clubs and golf, golf tours. And some people like to go and get the most, the sickest patients that are out there, and get them to a new place of care, and feel great about themselves when they go home that night.